Welcome to SmartWave. This video will show you how to factory reset the motor and initialize settings. Before pairing the remote control or wireless wall switch, please confirm the model of your remote control or wireless wall switch. Please note that if your remote control or wireless wall switch is a 2-channel device, the setting key for channel 1 is P1. And the setting key for channel 2 is P2. If it is a 6-channel or 15-channel device, you need to select the specific channel first and then proceed with the corresponding channel settings. This video includes the following. Step 1, Restore to factory setting. Step 2, Pairing. Step 3, Limit travel setting. Step 1. Reset your motor. Press and hold the motor's S key for 12 seconds. During this time, the motor's indicator light will first turn green, then the green light will change from slow flashing to fast flashing, and finally to super fast flashing. After releasing the setting key, the indicator light will flash green 3 times, followed by a steady orange light, indicating that the factory settings have been restored. Step 2. Pairing. Step 1. Press and hold the motor S key for 2 seconds. The indicator light turns green, then changes to orange and starts flashing. Step 2. Short press the remote control setting key P. The indicator light flashes green 3 times and then goes out, indicating a successful pairing. Step 3. Limit travel setting. Method 1. Short press the up button on the remote control, and the drapery will automatically open to the edge. Then close and meet. Completing the limit travel setting. Step 3. Limit travel setting. Method 2. Use your hand to drag the fabric for a short distance. The drapery will automatically open to the edge. Then close and meet. Completing the limit travel setting. At this point, you have completed all the initialization settings.